guys, this is Teacher Marge. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about Allocates budget for basic and social needs. At the end of this lesson, we are going to determine the budget allocation for basic and social needs. Now let us define first what is budget. Budget is the amount of money set aside for planned expenses. It is planned specifying how much money will be spent or allocated during a particular period. While budgeting is released to the wise use of family resources, it is based on the system by which wages or salaries are received and how these are to be spent by itemizing the needs of the family and how much money is needed to meet such needs. Now let us proceed to what are the different components or elements of a family budget. Okay, so we have here food, shelter, clothing, education, household operations, utilities, health, recreations, and savings. So those are the components or elements of a family budget. And now, how do we allocate family budget or allocation of family budget? A family budget may differ from one family size and composition, family values, and standards of living. Some families may spend more on food, others on clothing, and still others on education. The values of the family influences its priorities. Now, let us study here a sample of monthly budget of a family. So, let's say the monthly income of the family is 25,000 pesos and they are 4 members in the family. Now, first, we have to itemize the following. So, the items for family budget are food, education, shelter, utilities, household operation, clothing, recreation, savings. So these are the items that should be allocated by the family. Okay, so pwede rin naman na wala yung iba dito, yung mga basic needs lang yung kailangan na babudgetan, o kaya naman kung paano mag-budget ang pamilya nyo para sa pangangailangan nyo. But for this example, we're going to budget the monthly income of the family based on the item given. So, the allocated budget, we have here 40% for food, 16% for education, 15% for shelter, 12% for utilities, 6% for household operation, 3% for clothing, 3% for recreation, and 5% for the savings. Meaning to say, ito yung allocated budget na kukunin natin dun sa 25,000 pesos. So, how do we compute for the amount of budget for the food? So, for example, we have here the monthly income is 25,000. This 40% will become 0.40. Multiply 25,000 times 0.40, we will get here 10,000. Another example, if we are going to compute for the clothing, we have 3%. So, the monthly income of the family is 25,000. So, 25,000 times 0.03. 3% will become 0.03. And then if you are going to multiply 25,000 by 0.03, you will get 750 pesos. So, the amount or the budget for clothing is 750 pesos. So, ganun lang yung pagko-compute. Lagi natin i-multiply yung income doon sa percentage of budget allocated. And then, para malaman natin na tama yung ating sagot, kailangan pag tinotal natin yung from food up to savings, ang final answer mo pa rin is 25,000 pesos kasi yan yung iyong monthly income. And that is the income or the budget of the family for the items. So, same procedure ang gagawin dun sa iba, sa education, sa shelter. So, we have 25,000 times 0.16. For shelter, we have 25,000 times 0.15. So, the rest, ganun din yung gagawin nyo. You are going to multiply the monthly income by the percentage of the budget allocated to get the amount. So, let us proceed to allocation of family budget. First, you have to inform all the members of the family about the budget. Second, you have to make adjustment to your budget as necessary. Keep within the amount allocated for budget items. Third, choose a simple lifestyle that you can sustain with your earnings. Then buy only things that are needed. Schedule your expenses. Follow up a shopping and marketing schedule. Avoid making unscheduled, unplanned purchases, especially at a store you are not familiar with. Then teach the children to spend their allowance wisely. Conserve energy and other utilities. Recycle or reuse materials. Repair appliances and furniture as needed. Take good care of your belongings. And buy products that are good quality and reasonable price. So, always remember, iyan yung ating mga tatandaan para ma-budget natin ng tama ang ating monthly income. Now, let us try this one, true or false. Write true on your paper if the statement is correct and false if not. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Until next time, this is Teacher March. Once again, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my future videos. Thank you!